yet I'm talking about smoking. It's not good to smoke. But I'll tell you how to not smoke. First, you listen to your grandchildren, old people. Your grandchildren will teach you how to not smoke. Like, they'll write letters to you and ask you if you're gonna stop smoking, and it's really gonna work. So you should do that. It's really gonna work because I want it to work, and it's gonna work. So this is serious. I'm not joking. So it says not to smoke, so you can never ever smoke because it could kill us. And when the discount smoke shop has smokes cheap, and it's not good because I just don't want you to go there, so don't. Please stop smoking. Bye.